We are in Maumitiat village, which is 41 kilometers from Shillong, and we have come and worked with the community. We have had workshops, and whatever we have cooked, all the foods that we have prepared today, the community has called all the kids of the village, and we're having a feast right now. And as you can see in the back, it's quite a sight to see, and we feel it's a very good feeling that we are having this kind of community get together and letting the kids have. So a lot of the communities should look into it, that we have such kind of feast for the kids, so that they know the food systems and the products that the nature has to offer to them in terms of the local availability of products.
Layo sibon kijing mentoy na kajing wan ai jing ka jong isa juel nomor ba ya kitu kijing set baro ka ba i set ngimpat ju set menuru kadai kijing set ka bangi ju set ka barim ngile hi kumto kumbangi ju set hasinong lai menepat ngilai ui sibon kijing set ki ba long ki ba thamai bat nang ni sakhamat ru ngi kermen ba ki prasnong prathau jong ki ba bon hi kan thai bat senrang ru ki layo ngap ya ki layo I bat ki dapet hi la ki jong ki khmat bat ki da persyang ru banle ya katu kijing set ka ba iwan ra isar ba kumta kalong kijing mentoy sibon na ka benta ka snong ka thau bat kumju ru khantam ye khana samna kum kani ka por mentali kalong ka por ka ba kerdu jam kum taru kalong sibon kijing mentoy ka ba ki kinang beteng ya ka ka kam ka ba ki kwa ban seng ya ka kam jong kiru nang ni sakman
lembah jong kana spas bagawan ban pri ya karkom set ya ki jingbam ki balong ki jingbam tenrai apo kana ka dikasih dongi ya ka jingta ka bang ya kalong ba ya ki jur ba hakipor mesang ila set simple be ya ki long dap imnang ban set ki kata karkom ban bang ne no dai lembah jong ka jingwan jong kana spas dan la kham yo jing tipkin ban kumda ban khle ke jing bam ke balong jing bam kanrai namta ban bam bagi balong baktai ru kamet ba ju ka angi pada